Just starting crochet, these are the tools you actually need. First, yarn. For beginners, choose medium weight yarn, like cotton or acrylic, because it's easier to see your stitches and control your tension. Try to avoid very thin yarn because it's harder to see your stitches. Lighter colors are better when you're just starting, so you can see your stitches clearly. Next, a crochet hook. The size should match your yarn. For beginners, a 3 to 4 millimeter hook is a good place to start. If your hook is too small, your stitches will be tight. If it's too big, they'll be loose. You'll need scissors to cut your yarn. Any small scissors will work. A stitch marker helps you keep track of your stitches, especially for beginners. If you don't have one, you can use a safety pin. Lastly, a tapestry needle. You'll use this to even ends and finish your crochet neatly. It helps make your work look clean and professional. You don't need expensive tools to start. Simple tools are more than enough. Start simple, and you'll improve as you go.